Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of February. And first of all, national news. Government aimed to provide affordable and accessible healthcare for all. Union Minister. Budget session 2024. Prime Minister Narendra Modi replied to a motion of thanks in Lok Sabha. Election Commission issued strict directives regarding use of children in any election related activities. PM Modi congratulated musicians Ustad Zakir Hussain and others for winning Grammy Award. Government introduced Public Examinations Bill 2024 in Lok Sabha. Water Amendment Bill 2024 introduced in Rajya Sabha. PM said the country's women power is going to make valuable contribution in resolution of Viksit Bharat. Applications for GE Main open to conclude on March 2. Finance Minister presented interim budget for Jammu and Kashmir and supplementary demands for grants in Lok Sabha. Now, international news. Maldivian President Muizzu said first group of Indian troops to be sent back before March 10. Ukrainian president confirmed he is thinking about dismissing the country's military chief. Scientists declared Hindu Kush Himalaya a biosphere on brink of collapse. US warned of further retaliation if Iran-backed militias continue their attacks. Dangerous storm batters California, state of emergency declared. Former three-time Pakistan PM Nawaz Sharif seek fourth term in 2024 elections. Now, some sports news. Arshad Nadeem to undergo knee surgery in bid to be fit for Paris Olympics. Ranji Trophy. Kerala got 3 points versus Chhattisgarh. Andhra beat Bihar. India made massive gains in WTC rankings after defeating England in second test. 2026 FIFA World Cup final to be played in New Jersey. FIH Pro League, Indian women lost 3-1 to Netherlands in Pro League. Business-related news. 11.48 crore PAN cards are still not linked with Aadhaar. Government. Red Sea crisis. India turned to West Asia to replace US oil supply. India's January services PMI hit 6-month high amid strongest upturn in new business. RBI to convene. MPC met from Feb 6 to 8 and announced monetary policy on Feb 8. Russia remained India's top oil exporter despite supply hitting 12-month low. And that's all in news. Thank you.